All right, so we're going to draw a bear, and it's going to be either a polar bear or a brown bear, depending on what colour you do it at the end. But it's going to, both of them are going to start with an oval shape, which is the bear's nose or his snout, and then you're going to put his actual black nose down the bottom there and put a line from the black nose down to the bottom. Now his eyes are going to go near the top here. They have little eyes. And then you get a line from here by this nose, and you're going to go up to just above the eye on that side, like that. Now on the other side, you're going to start a little bit lower down, and you're going to just do a short line like that. And then you're going to do a little bit of a bulgy cheek out, not too big of a bulge, let's say about there. And then leave a little space, pop an ear. And this ear can be joined on like that. So he's now got 2 ears. Now bears have this quite distinctive hump shape. So you're going to do like a rainbow, a gentle rainbow shape. So it's going to go to about here. So here we go over the top, hump, 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 hump. That's our bear's hump. Okay. Now we're going to leave the top for a minute because we're going to go down and draw the bear's big front paw. It's going to come down from the mouth, from the nose here. So we're going to do a curvy line like that. We're going to give him a little paw. We're going to go up like that. We haven't gone right up to his mouth, and we're just going to go across a little bit. Leave that like that for a minute, because now we're going to draw the next leg, which is going to start just above here, and it's going to go down a little bit longer. Straight line there. Put a little foot on it. And have a nice big fat leg. So there's a great big fat shaggy bear leg. So he's lifting that paw up as if he's walking. Now we're going to go up to the top again and going to do a big bear bottom. So go to the end of this rainbow shape that you did, and we'll have a big bear bottom like that. Oh, not that kind of bear bottom. Okay, and then his back leg goes out. And we're going to put the little foot on it. And then up we go. And then we're going to join it across a straight line like that for his tummy. Okay. Now, how many legs has he got? He's only got 3. We need to do another leg in there. So we're going to do a bit of a hint of a leg. We're going to go down here and join that in. That's his back leg. And there you have got your bear. If you're going to make it a brown bear, colour it in brown, or you could do a polar bear and leave it white. Well done, everybody.